Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started as a Kraken beginner. First, you will need to create your account using a valid email address and a strong password. Next, complete the identity verification process, which typically takes only a few minutes, to unlock all trading and funding options. Finally, immediately set up two-factor authentication for robust account protection. Once your account is secure, the next step is funding it. You can choose from various deposit methods, including bank transfers for fiat currency or direct cryptocurrency deposits. Linking your bank account is straightforward, often requiring just a few details. Be sure to check the minimum and maximum deposit limits, which can vary significantly based on your chosen method and verification level. With funds in your account, you are ready to make your first trade. Head over to the trade section, where you can select from hundreds of cryptocurrency pairs. Decide whether you want to place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price. Enter the amount you wish to trade and confirm your order. Security is paramount when managing your digital assets. Always use a unique and complex password, ideally one that is at least 12 characters long, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Ensure two-factor authentication is active on all your devices. Remain vigilant against phishing emails and suspicious links, as these are common tactics used by malicious actors to gain unauthorized access to accounts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.